Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance to an authenticator. First, ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Binance account. Next, download a trusted authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy onto your smartphone. Then, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Security Settings section. This is where we will begin the linking process. Once in your Binance security settings, find and select the Authenticator app option. Binance will then present you with a unique QR code and a corresponding setup key. This key is crucial for linking your authenticator. You can either scan the QR code directly with your app or manually enter the provided key. Remember, keep this key confidential. Now, open your Authenticator app on your mobile device. Look for the option to add a new account, usually a plus sign. You can then either scan the QR code displayed on Binance or manually paste the setup key you copied earlier. Once added, your Authenticator app will instantly begin generating a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Finally, return to your Binance account setup page. Enter the current 6-digit code displayed in your Authenticator app into the designated field on Binance. Double-check that the code is correct and still valid before submitting. Confirm the connection, and your Binance account will now be fully secured with two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.